My name's Estelle Meldo, and Nicholas Meldo and myself are founders of Woodrock. Juno's a special little girl. We knew that we could work with Juno, and we knew that in 3-4 months' time, Juno's going to be rehomed into a fantastic home. She's got the most endearing personality, and all she needed was confidence, trust and love, and good food. There's a lovely saying that says, "Teach me to be the dog you want me to be." The dogs themselves, at first, they're scared to eat. They look into your eyes. They don't know if they're allowed to. And Juno is loving her food, and she's really doing very, very well. And as far as the dog food is concerned, we're just very lucky. And the dogs are loving it, and we're just very blessed.